Langer's is open, and California is open for business. We're here at Langer's, which is a signature institution here in the city of Los Angeles. Langer's is a place that where people come from all over our region to enjoy pastrami and have great hospitality here. And to celebrate the reopening here is really symbolic of what we can do here in Los Angeles. We've been through some really tough times, but today is a moment when we celebrate reopening and the opportunity for everybody to re-engage with the economy, to get back to restaurants, back to businesses, and back to life.
Tengo dos trabajos y de los dos trabajos no pude trabajar por muchos meses. Fue muy difícil.
We had to let all of our servers go, and incidentally, they all came back, every one of them.
Day after tomorrow, on Thursday the 17th, will be 74 years that my father opened this up. And it's important to me. All of these employees have been with me for many, many years. My manager's been here 35, my chef has been here 51. This is family. And we were closed for 469 days, and today is Smile Day. Today's the day to reopen, rekindle relationships with our regular customers, and welcome new ones.
Well, it's a great day for California by opening today, allowing the men and women who have Langer's to serve in-service dining. I want to welcome Los Angeles back. We're back in business.